You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. How do you say it correctly? The pronunciation of this word. Now, it is of French origin, and in French said as niche. That is why in English it is generally pronounced as niche, with a sh sound rather than a ch sound, because it's French, niche. But sometimes, actually quite often, in the US in particular, some say it as niche, niche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.